Well, hello there! Welcome to another Dynamo video. You caught me in the middle of something. I was testing this feature called Dynalinx. You see, Dynamo is an incredible tool to get a basic understanding of simple robotics, 3D simulation, kit building, control mechanisms, but not only that, it's also great for creative purposes, and this is where Dynalinx comes in. Basically, it offers a variety of pieces in the construction kit, and some of them have a lot of purposes, so you can put your mind to test and see which of them fit better the creation you want to construct. You'll see that the pieces indicate which end can be attached to another piece with a convenient glowing circle. It's up to you to come up with something not only creative, but functional as well. Because, as any kit in Dynamo, we can also assign controls to make our creations move and interact with the environment. Just remember to press enter, so you're in pause mode. That way, it'll be a lot easier to handle, and experiment with the functionality of every piece, so you can build something really wonderful. Hopefully something a lot better than the Frankenstein car I just built. I can't say I'm the best builder in town. I'm pretty sure you can best me in this, in which case, please do, and share your creations with us. We're eager to see what you can come up with. With nothing else to add, I'll say goodbye. My name is Kevin, and I'll see you next time.